Hi, my name is Soyam, and this is my IST 195 project. So let's be real. How many times have you looked at an expiration date on like a carton of milk and just thrown it out? Or maybe you've seen someone else do it. Or worse, you trust the date, you take a bite of some leftovers, and you instantly find out that you shouldn't have done it. It's just gross. The big problem is that these printed dates are just a guess. They're not magic. They don't know if your fridge is too cold or if you've left the groceries in a hot car for 20 minutes. They have no idea what's actually happening inside of the food. And because we're all just guessing, we end up wasting a ton of food. It's estimated that families in the US throw out hundreds of pounds of food every year. That's like throwing money straight into the trash. It's bad for the planet and it's bad for our wallets. What if you could stop guessing and just know? This is my idea, the Smart Food Checker. It's a small, simple scanner you place right in your fridge or pantry. It uses these special cameras, which is called hyperspectral imaging, to scan your food and check it for actual safety. It looks at a level that human eye can't see, checking for the molecular signs of decay. It completely ignores that printed date and looks for the real stuff, like bacteria or other spoilage that hasn't even started to smell yet. Then, an app on your phone tells you if it is safe to eat and when the real expiration date is. No more guessing. Now you'll know what you're putting into your body. But how does it actually work? This is the cool part, and it uses three big topics we've learned about in class: IoTs, cloud computing, and AI. First, IoTs, which stands for Internet of Things. Our scanner is a thing. It's an everyday object that we packed with sensors to get data from the real world. It's also got an RFID scanner built in. This is so much more reliable than a regular barcode. A barcode just tells you what the item is, but an RFID tag is unique. The scanner can read that tag, and the app can show you the exact farm it came from and its whole journey to you. That's way more info than a barcode could ever give. Second, we have cloud computing. The scanner itself doesn't have to be giant, expensive supercomputer. It just sends all that camera and RFID data over your Wi Fi to the cloud. The cloud's power is being used to do all the heavy work and store the data. It's what we call infrastructure as a service. This is what allows the scanner to be small and cheap. And third, AI. This is the brain of the whole operation. How does it know when the food is bad? We use machine learning. The AI is taught by feeding millions of pictures of good food and bad food. Every picture is labeled as this is fresh, this is starting to rot, or this is dangerous. This is called supervised learning. After seeing millions of examples, AI learned to spot the invisible patterns of decay before we can see or smell anything. The AI also powers the app. Let's say it says your chicken is in the eat this soon zone. It can use generative AI to instantly create a simple, healthy recipe for you based on your fitness goals, so you don't waste food or money. So overall, the smart food checker is a full system. The IoT scans and sees the food, the cloud does all the heavy thinking, and the AI gives you the simple answers you actually need. Stop guessing, stop throwing away your money. With the smart food checker, you'll know exactly what's safe to eat. Thank you for watching.